Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we're diving deep into the JC ID V1SE Wi-Fi version phone part ID Read Write Repair Programmer. This tool is making waves in the phone repair community, and for good reason. It's designed to be a comprehensive solution for identifying, reading, writing, repairing, and even analyzing various components within a smartphone. One of the standout features is its Wi-Fi connectivity. This allows for seamless data transfer and updates, eliminating the need for constant cable connections. It streamlines the workflow, making the entire process much more efficient. The JC ID V1SE comes with 12 different PCBs, offering broad compatibility across numerous phone models. This versatility is a huge plus, as it reduces the need for multiple specialized tools. Technicians can work on a wider range of devices with just this one programmer. Beyond basic reading and writing, the V1SE boasts specialized repair capabilities. It's equipped with advanced tools to tackle damaged or corrupted data on phone components. This could be a lifesaver when dealing with devices that have suffered physical damage or software glitches. The user interface is designed to be intuitive and user-friendly. Navigating the various functions and managing data is straightforward, even for those who are relatively new to phone repair. The clear layout and logical organization of features make it easy to find what you need quickly. The JC ID V1SE aims to be an all-in-one solution for phone repair professionals. Its comprehensive feature set, wireless connectivity, and user-friendly design make it a valuable asset for any repair shop.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.